Alright, here is the fuel pump and the fuel sender. See how bad a shape it was in. I had to drill out the holes, or drill out the screws to get it in, so there was metal in the tank. So we're going to suck out all the old fuel and metal shavings out of the tank and then put a new pump and sender on. Here's the new sender unit. Yeah, today I got my son helping me, so he's gonna learn. But you have to actually go down all the way in there. One of my air tools. Push hard. Okay. Now you're in there, so you, look, this valve's blocking the air. So you have to turn it on. So what are we doing?
Transferring the fuel to there?
Yes, we're sucking all the old gas out because it's old and nasty before we put the new pump in. Go in the car and turn the key on.
Alright.
And watch the fuel gauge.
You mean?
Yeah, you. Okay, before actually installing this into the tank, I want to make sure the fuel sender works, make sure the gauge works. Before it definitely didn't. So good. The key should be in. You can just turn the key on from the other side.
No, I'm gonna sit in there.
So let's turn the key on, don't actually turn it over. The key on.
It's in. Do you want me to go?
Yeah, no, look at the gas gauge.
It said 1.
And 0.
Going between 1, it's at 1 and then to 0.
Is it going to 0?
Yep.
Half tank?
Yep.
Okay, so the fuel sender works, so you could turn the key off. Hold on. You gotta turn the key off. Okay, got it all in there, did a lot of modifying. So this level sender is tack welded in a different spot. So I had to shove a hose clamp behind it. That's way too long to clamp this down, and I grounded down inside of that and the side of this to make room. So it's a little different. Because this old one, it was clamped, the metal clamp was held right here. It's held up here, and you can see it's just down here, but not much of that hose goes on it, so I had to make it so it wouldn't fall off. You had to use this base. But it's all together, doesn't look pretty. I wired it this same way as the other one, the ground on the left and the positive on the right, so hopefully that works. So I'm going to put it in there and not actually bolt it in, because I need to find some type of sheet metal screw or something to put it actually in there, since I had to drill all the holes. So let's go ahead and put this in and see if it works. Okay, I got the fuel line temporarily hooked up. Battery off the charger. I ain't really gonna tighten these, just see if it's good enough. See if it starts. It hasn't started for a while. I've been open the door for a while. Oh. Let's see. Fuel gauge works at least.